Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful collection of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains very beautiful, elegant, stylish, and you can say mesmerizingly beautiful and useful design collection of hand embroidery borders. All of these embroidery borders could be designed for a wide variety of reasons, for a number of ways to design the whole embroidery pattern. So before going into the further details, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. If you are new and haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And if you have already subscribed, then you can subscribe from as many other devices as you could because subscribers are very important. And with your love and support, we can only continue to grow. So guys, now let's move back towards our main content. That is which type of hand embroidery stitches, which type of hand embroidery thread, and which type of fabric could be used to embroider these patterns onto it? So the answer to this question is any type of thread, any type of fabric, any type of fabric color. So you can also use, which I have already told you or guided you in my previous videos. For silky or shiny look, you can use silky threads that are available in different geographical regions of the world, along with different company names, ranging from Vico to T&S and many other more companies. And if you want to give a sleek, unique, and matte look, then you can make use of Anchor or GMC. And if you want to give a 3D or a thick look, then you can use wool for embroidering these patterns. Now we will talk about which type of embroidery stitches are being used to make the whole pattern. Simple, basic, easy to make, beginner-friendly embroidery stitches like French knot, stem stitch, satin stitch, forward stitch, chain stitch, fly stitch have been used to make the whole embroidery pattern. And one more important thing, guys, we never reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive and idea of making videos is to share creativity with those who are lovers of hand embroidery or who like the art and designs of handwork and hand embroidery. So, guys, uh, if unfortunately you are unable to get the best or the design of your own choice from our today's collection, then you can explore my channel onto which I have shared thousands of millions of design ideas related to handwork in different categories. So find your best designs of your choice accordingly. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos.